Alright guys, so I'm at an open house right now, and here's a carrier Sentry. It is a heat pump. Has an LG. (2018). It's a 4-ton CH14. Of course, it hasn't been running. And I actually found another Sentry. This fence is open. And here's another Sentry. Someone lives here, but it looks like mine. See, this one's bigger than mine. I'm guessing 4 tons go to the 2-story houses and 3 tons go to the 1-story houses. Yeah. There's that. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.